In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create org charts in Confluence. If you're working in an environment that uses Confluence and you're looking to visually organize your team's structure, creating an org chart could be a great solution. It's a powerful way to represent who's who and how everyone fits into the bigger picture. Fortunately, Confluence, coupled with the Draw.io app, makes this task quite simple. Let me guide you through the process. First things first, ensure that the Draw.io app, also known as diagrams.net, is installed in your Confluence instance. This tool is essential for creating our org chart and enhances Confluence with robust diagramming capabilities. Once you're certain it's installed, head over to the Confluence page where you'd like to place this org chart. This is a crucial step because the org chart will be most effective if placed in a relevant section where your colleagues can easily navigate to it for quick reference. Now, in edit mode on your selected page, you'll need to type /draw or alternatively click insert at the top, then choose view more and find draw.io diagram from the list. This step essentially loads the diagramming tool into your Confluence page, setting the stage for creating the chart. Once you've opened draw.io, you're presented with a variety of templates. In the template chooser, simply search for org chart and browse through the styles available. Picking a template that matches your preferences or organizational branding can save you a lot of styling work down the line. When you find one you like, go ahead and select it. With the template ready to go, clicking on Create takes you directly into the editor, where you truly begin crafting your organizational chart. You can now customize the chart to reflect your team's unique structure. Begin by adding shapes for each employee or role within the organization. Typically, you might use rectangles or ovals for names and positions, giving you a clear visual of each role. Connecting these shapes is critical for understanding relationships and hierarchy within the organization, so use lines or arrows to link them effectively. Think of these lines as visual threads that show reporting structures or the flow of information. For a more appealing chart, you may want to adjust colors and styles. These adjustments not only enhance appearance, but can also help different teams or levels stand out for better comprehension. Don't hesitate to experiment with different palettes until you achieve a balance that is visually pleasing and aligns with your organization's themes. Finally, after you've made all the adjustments and everything looks spot on, it's time to save your work. Click on Publish and voila! Your org chart is now live, beautifully illustrating your team's structure for everyone to see. Creating an org chart in Confluence using Draw.io is as simple as that. With a few clicks, you have an informative and professional diagram ready to be shared with your colleagues. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this guide helpful as you organize and display your team's structure.